Adding cloud cameras using the Mobile Device Wizard. OpenEye cloud cameras are powerful and flexible devices that can be set up and installed nearly anywhere. The Add Device Wizard is the streamlined registration process that is able to be completed through a mobile device. This process can be completed during deployment as well as pre-registered before beginning. Once set, all of the settings are accessible through OWS remotely. One great aspect of the Mobile Device Wizard is the ability to register the device before deployment. We have our cloud camera on our office desk, and to start the registration process, we will open the link by scanning the QR code on the device with our mobile phone. The link will navigate us to the device registration screen. From here, we can either log in to our OWS account if we are adding the device to a system we have an account for. Otherwise, we can use the location registration code. We will log into our OWS. Once logged in, we can rename the device for easier administration or leave the device name as is. Next, we can either add this device to an existing location on our account, create a new location on our account, or register this device using our location registration code. If we choose adding to an existing location, we would simply select that location from a list. I will show you how to add a new location. To create a new location, all we do is give it a name and select the time settings. We can then add the camera. Next, we will be asked if we wish to add another device if we're planning to register multiple cloud cameras. Or, if the camera is already connected to the internet, we can view the live video now. For more information on cloud camera registration and setup, please visit answers.openeye.net. Thank you.